Get ready to be amazed because this might just most satisfying is officially taking over Tay Internet. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique, compared to ordinary items, is that it handles heavy usage without any issues. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. C-Piece is built tough, highly efficient, ADN super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it sells out everywhere. Get ready to be amazed because this might just most satisfying is officially taking over Tay Internet. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the engineering behind